I just pinch myself that I'm getting to do this job in this department and I'm being paid to do it. It's all the things that, I was hoping it would be, and it's a real joy, and the team's fantastic. So I can't imagine being anywhere else. So I'm really, really pleased.
That's so nice. I'm so happy for you. What a great thing to be able to say about your job. That's amazing. Love that.
I think the Academy just felt like something that was offering something quite unique compared to some of the courses where perhaps you just go for one day and you kind of have one chance to absorb all of the information. The range of ways that you could access the Academy, so the live that you could join on with, and then you could also watch back the video content that you produce that, again, you could watch and just learn about things like NHS structure and governance. And then I think the peer support as well, learning from other people and watching some of their videos, seeing how they handled some of the questions, things that you just wouldn't think about, never mind how many courses you went on. And so it just felt much more sort of user friendly and a really rich program. The USPs, I don't think I ever sort of had thought in that way. I was very aware that I didn't have any publications and I hadn't done any sort of international conferences. But actually one of the things I remember you saying is everybody's got USPs, everybody's got something unique. And so I think just the space to consider that and think about, well, actually, there are things that I could use and apply to multiple contexts, which are unique to me as a candidate. That was a really helpful, and I think that was also a really helpful mindset shift, just going into the interview, that actually you might have something to offer which other people don't have. I think if there are people that maybe feel not too confident and I'd be embarrassed to share my videos or ask a question, just to know that there are all sorts of people, everybody's in the same boat. And it's not the kind of environment where people are going to make you feel silly. There's no silly question, and just to feel free, that you'll be really well supported and your confidence will grow. It will be an amazing thing. Thank you to you and the team, all the hard work that must go on behind the scenes. Whenever we've sort of needed anything, you're always really reactive and proactive, and you really feel quite cared for in the whole process as well, which, again, a standard course isn't going to offer. So thank you for all of your hard work and dedication.
Thank you. Really appreciate that. It means a lot. And I'm really happy for you. Totally bossed it. You nailed it. And I'm really glad you got your job. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.